If your car is hard to shift or grinds when you go from first to second gear on a cold morning, your transmission fluid is likely too thick to work right. You can fix this by replacing your old gear oil with a high-quality synthetic fluid that handles cold weather better. When the temperature drops toward 32 degrees Fahrenheit, standard factory oil becomes thick like molasses. This thick oil creates a heavy drag on the internal shafts that prevents the synchronizer rings from grabbing the gears. These rings act like small brass brakes that match the speed of the gears so they can lock together smoothly. When the oil is too thick, the rings cannot push through the fluid to bite the metal. This is why you feel that physical block or notch in the shifter handle. This happens often on cars like the Mazda Miata, the Subaru WRX, and the Volkswagen GTI. Once your drivetrain reaches a full operating temperature of around 180 degrees, the oil thins out and the shifting feels normal again. If you try to force or slam the shifter while the gearbox is cold, you will physically grind down the teeth on your synchronizers. This causes permanent damage that will eventually make the car grind even when the engine is hot. You cannot fix this issue by adjusting your clutch pedal free play or by installing stiffer shifter bushings. Those parts might make the linkage feel tighter, but they do not change how the oil moves inside the transmission case. You should also avoid installing a short shifter if your car already feels notchy. A short shifter reduces your mechanical leverage, which actually makes the cold resistance feel twice as heavy. The best solution is to drain your transmission and refill it with a premium synthetic manual transmission fluid. Look for brands like Redline MT-90, Amsoil Synchromesh, or Motul. These fluids contain specific friction modifiers that help the synchronizers grab even in freezing weather. Synthetic base oils stay much thinner in the cold, which reduces shaft drag and lets the gears engage cleanly. To do this job, first check your owner's manual to find your exact fluid capacity. Most small cars require between 2 and 3 quarts of gear oil. Always make sure you can loosen the fill plug before you remove the drain plug. If you cannot get the fill plug open, do not drain the oil, or you will be stranded. Once the old fluid is out, fill the gearbox until the oil is level with the bottom of the fill hole. This simple maintenance step prevents a transmission rebuild that could cost you over $2,000. Fresh synthetic oil is the best way to keep your gear changes light and crisp every morning. You want a clean connection to the car without having to fight the machine just to get out of your neighborhood. Changing your fluid now ensures the gearbox stays healthy, no matter how low the temperature drops outside. Check your service records today if your shifting feels heavy or slow. Using the right synthetic oil is the cheapest way to make your car feel brand new again and protect those expensive internal gears from wearing out early. Taking an hour to swap your fluid now will save your synchronizers and keep your daily drive smooth for years to come.